The phone screen look like that. I have no clue why it's like that. Hi, loved ones. It's a lovely day outside. It's a lovely day outside. It is. It's really a lovely day outside. Yeah. Hi. I have to get food outside. Huh? Get Hi. Hello. You know, I can tell you about this dress, right? What I told you about this dress, try to remember. Remember what I told you about the dress? Did you remember? Thank you, loved one. Keep calling an audio cream. I'm not there now, but you can use reach there. 347-737-1812. And you can get your celebrity white. Everybody's buying, everybody's rushing in. I have a lot of orders to fill. Call and get your stuff so it'll be out first thing in the morning. Okay, guys, because you know it's weekend now. Call, you will get discount also if you want a cream. I'll give you a discount. Just call in. I also have the lady candy for the lady hole. The candy sweetness. Yeah, me have candy. Candies for the ladies. So remember, without the candy, you know, you can't get in a trouble. So make sure you have a piece of candy to fix everything back when you're troubling. But you're not supposed to trouble it. Yeah? Yeah. You know when you hide and take a little piece, you know, nobody know you have to wash you quick. You know the worst thing was about one time, I have my boyfriend, you know, I have this other guy, he used to sell it. He used to sell it and I started talking to him after a while, you know, and I used to cheat. And my boyfriend with him, and the sad thing about it is, every time after he let me cheat and I go to his house, he always gives me a piece and said, here, me just ring sister when I go home and I get in that trouble. I always do that, you know, so I guess that's how him feel, you know. Like, you know, that's the best he could do to make me feel better. It wasn't right, but, you know. Hi. No, I didn't eat anything yet. I didn't eat anything yet, buddy. No, nothing at all. Dry, more dry. Nothing going on my mouth. More dry. I say, I want to look for me on the train a while ago, and she looked for me when I was to tell the man, and she just stay for me. And I come out of the train and I look at the woman, the girl stay for me. I broke her neck through the glass. I was like, why? The bad mind is real hate, you know, hate a real thing, you know. I got choked up low. I drink organic water, I drink that poison water anymore. Hate is real, man. Hate is real, yo. For real. Some people just, the way the world become now, this shit is like a battlefield out here, man. I love it too, goodie. I know, I love it too. It's like a battlefield out here, you know. People are just fighting, hating themselves, hating each other, just destroying the world, just fucked up. And the fucked up one, them, you know, they won't die. They live on to make more trouble. I don't understand. And the good ones lie down and never wake up. You say, Lord, why? You know, why, Lord? Or you forgot them, or you just give them chance to suffer by themselves? Yeah, one of my goodies too, you know, she's a real goodie. She bought cream from me and she made some sticker for me named Goodie Mix Up. The sticker on the cream bottle for me, and I'm telling you, yo, the way the messenger thing full up, make me find the girl back. She makes some sticker for me. All these mangoes are 2 for $5, not bad, they're big. She makes some they're $1 look soft too, but me still buy them $1 for them. Yeah, she makes some sticker for me. Right to do all of my fresh color low. Lord God, fresh color low. Them have fresh color low. I don't want my fresh color low, you know. Today fresh color low to right to do all, okay. Go buy one bongo. And fresh color low today, good. Color low today. I don't know how much a bongo, so if you pour me, I buy a bongo still. Let me try to get the fish first. I want the fish. I can do the color low. It's nice, color low. Yeah. Yes, I'm going to try to get the fish first. I'm going to buy color low. Come in and buy up a sitting. I have stuff in the oven. So I really want me to buy. So I'm going to eat a whole body and that no more. So. Yeah, how you doing? Yes, I told you about the dress, right? Got it? So, mine, sir. Thank you, sir. I'll sue you, sir. You know, I'll sue you, sir. You know, you have to be careful. You get the fish? No. You not get no salmon? No more? Man, for the whole week, me starve. I pay a fish head me for the whole week. I'm about almost 40 out of fish head. Come on. I put it right there, so I want to catch people on this thing, you know, because I want to fish me, but you know. I'm about a bad mind over the frat, man. Eh? Goody, when me tell you about this dress. Hello. When me tell you about this dress, I forget. Let's try this. Let me get my plastic bag too. Oh man, how you doing? When that big in Goody? Could have bigger still. How much is this one? So I'm gonna see how much. So that one is 35. Let me see how much is this one. Yeah. There's supposed to be salmon.
Yes.
Salmon them there. Let me see.
Yes.
I love it too, Goodies. I love it too. Yeah. I love it too, Mama. I don't know how much money I have. I want to see how much I weigh, because I don't know how much I carry that much money from the road, to be honest with you. I don't come pick up 2 little something. I mean, I want to short the money. But the fish is a bit of a problem with you. I come, I can't get none from with you. I pay your head, I have to cut up by the head, man, have the whole, almost 40 out of head I eat for you. I don't notice. How much for that now? Yeah, let me see how much, because that one is smaller, so let me see. Smaller should be cheaper than the other one. $63? Alright, give me it. Let me take it. Yes, slice up. Not too small, but not too big. In between, okay? Buy 2 of them because... Now buy 2 of them because, here. Because I know, so when I come back, even though I don't carry a lot of money, when I come back here, you will forget it. So I get $63. And I eat all the time. White in the for poison it, so you can put it on the fridge. 63. Oops, sorry, darling. How much is that? 61, 62, $2.63. Here you go. Thank you so much. I'm gonna get my kale and my apple now. Let me get one bung of the callaloo. Let me see, because I love the kale bad. I'm not sure if I can get the callaloo. I want the callaloo, I'm not sure. But let me see. Because I love the kale more. I love the kale, raw kale more. Okay, I left the bag here, so I soon come here. Babe, soon come back, okay? Okay. Nothing in there but just... I'm running to get the kale and stuff because I need that more than anything else. Can't eat without the kale and apple. Make sure I have that. Yeah, goodie. Can't eat without it, goodie. I cannot eat without it now. I used to could, but not anymore. So when one does, I'm feeling great. I stop. It tastes good too. I like it not taste good. I don't know much of the color though. Should I bring more money, man? But I do that sometime because I spend too much sometimes. I spend. You buy this, you buy it, you can spend a lot. So sometimes you cut down. And sometimes when something you buy, you keep in the house until then spoil, you have to dash them away. So you have to cut down. I don't know much of the callaloo yet. I got some callaloo this evening, you know. And the kale on the side. But then to sell it well expensive than now for the one bone. And it big too, watch I big. Callaloo.
Oh, my wife right there, man.
You know me.
I don't want to bother with this one, honestly. Like missy. I'm not sure I want to bother with this one. Come and lazy if you cook the kale, not if you cook. The kale do not have to cook. I don't strip the callaloo down and cut you up and cook it. I want to sit raw when I cook. When the callaloo can't eat raw. Can't cut a piece out with the kale. I eat it raw. It's my favorite. I forget the favorite I like, man. Alright. I forget my favorite. This is what I want. This is the only place I come and buy and I buy enough, so. What I get to me eat every day. More than something I hardly eat. That's the problem. Sure. Yeah, I know. You want me hang up or in there? I love you too. God bless the good ones, not the hypocrite and the haters and the backbiter, but the good ones. Because some of them are real papa holding on me, I tell you. They don't come because they like you, they come because they want to bring it down. So it's good. Now it's not the one at the back, the one at the back. So show us a big one. Nice. Oh, I love this shit. I love this booty. Sorry. I love it. I don't cut up this thing nice. But the bag's so small. Look. No, I'm not bigger bag. The bag them so small. Put this big thing in her. Can't fit nice. I'm going to fight with it. But put no one plastic bag and reach up this one. Because, you know, babe, the bags are so small. I'm going to stick it in my hand. Eh? Too small. I need... sorry darling, I need 3 bungladis, I need this like goat. I need 3 bungladis for sure, I need all of this. I need this more, I need 3 bungladis. This will keep me for much of days, I don't know, let me see. I'm gonna get this, get some apple. Yeah. Hi. How you doing? How much is this, man? Oh. The bag is too small. So put in a bigger bag.
Yeah. You want the organic? That's per bag.
That's the organic, I know. That's the one I always buy. That's the one I always buy. Organic. There's always organic one I buy. How you doing today? Good? Yeah. Much better, I think.
Yeah. Green lady.
It's a green lady. Why you call me green lady? Okay, how much?
12.
$12? $12, right? That much for $12, right? So I'm gonna get me some apple. I'm gonna get me some green apple. I get the sweet red ones, but sometimes I get the foodie one. I don't like the foodie one. I like the other one. So I'm gonna just go for the green one.
11:40.
I'm gonna go for the green ones. Right? I'm gonna go for the green ones. Too many 2 more. Should I put in that bag? But okay.
Come this way.
How much? I think I need more. 2 more at least. I know. Once you make this salad, you could never stop eating it. Trust me. Oops, sorry, darling. Sorry, my dear. That's why you gotta wash them stuff. So, yes, I know. I know, right? Okay, how much is it? Okay, thank you. I got my kale, big bag of kale, and my apple. Thank you so much. Oh, 2 penny. Oh, thank you. It's 50 cents. Thanks. That's a lot in these days. Okay, me get the piece. Me get the organic kale for $12 alone. Right? Hi, baby. How you doing, my love? All right. The $12 alone. I still can buy the callaloo if I want. But I don't know if I want to buy the callaloo. Because the callaloo have to cook. And so on. I don't care. Listen to me. When you look between your mama leg, which one that? Me not deal with the blood clot, but just go on for now. Hi, baby.
Hello.
You know them out of order, you know, to me famous. Them bad man, say. I want to them, man, sure. All right, from one for buy out, you know. 2 for $3. $1.50 for one of them, man. 2 for $3, not bad. So $6 can get you 4 of them. But I don't want that right now. I need something. Oh, I have yogurt in the house. Should I buy more mango? Finish out the yogurt them first. But that's some big mango down there, so they look sweet. Let me see. What else I want to buy? I'm going to the supermarket and get the butter I like. Stop wasting money by foolishness. Or the avocado, them 2 for $5. You have the pear, them you come back. 2 for $5. I like them there. Like my foolishness. I'm sure I'm going to put this in my bag. I walk with the plastic bag in my hand. Should I go to the fish market and put them in my bag first? Yeah, man. So you do it, you're not good there? So you do it, man. You're hungry. You're hungry, just go to fish. You know, I can't eat that salmon every day because I love it. You know, I love it. You know, I love it bad. Especially peppery and buttery, Lord. Eh? Oh, yeah, I'm supposed to buy couscous down the road. Don't forget to spend half the money on it because you have to buy couscous down the road. Go buy butter inside and then go buy the couscous and go on home. Yeah? Cook some of that fish to make some couscous and cut up some of the same thing you like. And that I like to eat. I enjoy it. Some in the business. Nobody wants to eat the same thing all the while. Well, when you eat the same McDonald's all the while, when you eat the same Burger King all the while, I don't see the difference. When you eat the same Burger King all the while, the same McDonald's all the while, when you eat the same red meat all the while, when you look no better, when you feel no better, when you feel sick, when you run to the hospital, emergency room, and you still eat it, say, I want to eat this every day, it's okay. You know what I mean? You feel me, dog? Oh, no feel me, dog. Somebody my dog shit, you don't feel me, dog. Love you, no man. Love the good ones. When the other one then come by, you have to come back them fish and carry on. But then come back them fish by, you know. Especially one from Israelites, that's what they want to call them. What the join up, right? You call them? All right, the join up, right? And like, yeah, man, I'm like, for back them fish often, brother. I'm going to get the butter I like to use. Because I like that I make me steam my rice with my buttery rice. I like that I make couscous. So I can buy the butter alone and then head on and go buy couscous and go home. Okay? Don't worry, I have a short and eat my dress. Don't worry, and took your stocking. So you can't see nothing bend over. Boy, you go and like him, lick him head. You know, mention. Tell him say you want the pony pension. I go like him and suffer from the mention. I want you lick your head, boy, you no mention. Boy. Big up on yourself, man. We're going to Hollywood this effing here, man. Hollywood, where I go. I'm a lucky saying I'm not carry on bad. I'm not carry on bad and everybody else. What me carry on bad? So for me that carry on bad. Yes, love, yes, love. Oh, 79 cents was old. Oh, watermelon. I mean 79 cents each for what? For the mango, them 3 for $5. But they look so fluxy. I should I give my, 3 for $5, 3 for $1. Gotta be 3 for $1. Can't 3 for $5. Then flux in her ass.
We got bags of cereal.
Fluxy to Moxie. I love you. Fluxy to Moxie. I love you. The butter I like there. It's so cheap, then gotta buy it out. I like it kind of buttery like the next one, and it's on the cheaper too. I love this one. Man, I'm my favorite this right now. I love this one on regular. This I always buy the regular hotel bar, but I stop by it. I'm gonna use this one. This one of the spread, but it tastes so good. I love it, especially when brown rice. All the way down. Buttery. And Kale cut up fine. It's sweet, you see? It's sweet out of this normal world. It's sweet bad, me I tell you. Sweet, man. No one bother the corn them too much, you know, because last year I eat so much corn, my belly get big. I don't want to bother with the corn them too much, my belly get too big. I don't want to bother the corn them too much, because corn is so good for you, you know. It tastes good and everything, but at the end of the day, the way they make it. So I don't know. So alright, I'm going to just try to get the butter and get out of here. Stop buying nonsense, I don't know good for me. I'm getting so sick.
What's up, baby?
I forgot to hang up and come back on too, no? Yeah? For hang up and come